Hello everyone, and thanks for joining today. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to remove photosensitive videos on TikTok using your Android mobile. This feature helps reduce flashing or intense light effects while watching videos, making your viewing experience safer and more comfortable. First, open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then, select Settings and Privacy from the list of options. After that, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section and tap on Accessibility. Finally, turn on the toggle for Remove Photosensitive Video. This will help reduce flashing effects in videos and protect your eyes while using TikTok. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Stay safe and enjoy a better TikTok experience on your Android device.